should let me love you. Let me be the one to give you everything you want.
What's up everybody, this is Sequoia and I'm back with another video as promised, and this video is about my hair. So the hair that I have in my head right now is called the Mala Glance Braid Wavy Feathered Twist in 16 inches. So this is the model on the back and this is me. So this hair is not pre-looped, as you can see, which made the hair 10 times better to work with. So usually with pre-looped hair, you know, you have like the hair is like the one twist and there's like a loop. But with this, because it's not pre-looped, you basically get two twists in one because you have to loop it and then you get these two, which is why it looks like I have so much hair on my head, and which is why it also took me like an hour, I think, to do my hair, because there's like so many braids and there's so many spots to like fill in. My braiding pattern was like, it starts right, the cornrows start right here, and mind you, this hair is like 3 weeks old. I think I've had this hair in for. So I started, my scalp is dry, so I started it right here, and I have like these 6 cornrows going back this way. I did, I think, either individual braids or twists in the front because I was going to I was going to loop my like hair inside the twisted hair after I looped the twisted hair around my hair. That makes sense, right? But it didn't work out like how I thought it would, so I decided to just leave the hair. Like, I would loop my, you know, the fake hair around it, and then I would leave my hair out. So it looks kind of fuzzy, but I'm still able to work with it. And I bought 3 packs of hair. I bought 2 packs of 1B, and then I bought 1 pack of the color number 2, and 2 is the brown that you see here. And yeah, that's it. It's a short video, but this hair is awesome. If you were thinking about getting this hair, please do. It's super lightweight. I mean, it's hot outside, but it doesn't make you feel hot. It's a perfect length, 16 inches. This is what it looks like on the side. And then here's the back. Hopefully you can see this. Hopefully this video is not blurry the entire time, but this is this side right here. Yeah, so, oh, the hair is feathered. Did I say that already? I can't remember. But the hair is feathered, so the ends look very like natural looking. See? And I love that. I love that about this hair. It looks so natural. But I bought this hair at my beauty supply store, but I'm pretty sure wigtypes.com or whoever will have this hair on their website, and probably like a whole bunch of like cool colors. So the next time I buy this hair, I want like the ombre type of style, because I think that will look really cool and natural. So yeah, that is it. I'm so happy to be back here on YouTube. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm at 700 subscribers, so thank you so much for subscribing. Please like this video, please share it, and comment down below with any questions that you may have that I didn't answer in this video. So I think that's it. Have a blessed week.
Bad as you are, you stick around, and I just don't know why. I was your man, baby, you don't worry about what I do. I'll be coming home.